Hi, I am so sorry that this is so late at night, but I totally forgot about it. Anyways, the person who was, I don't know how to stand. The person that has probably helped me the most throughout my bullying and just all my hard times in life in general is probably my friend Maya. She is there for me no matter what. I tell her everything. She tells me everything. At least I hope. Maya, tell me. Haha. Just kidding. You don't have to tell me anything you don't want to. But also the angels, they have helped me. But Maya, back to Maya. Okay, so Maya, whenever something's wrong, like, I'll just tell her, and, like, if she notices that I'm, like, on the verge of crying, she will pull me in for a hug, and she'll, like, hold my head in this really awkward way when my head's on her chest, and she, like, holds my head, and yeah, and I cry, and she cries, so it's all good. And yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Bye. I'm sorry. By the way, I got my bracelet. And I love it. And I'm never taking it off. Okay, bye.